The Protestant Reformation, Luther, Calvin, and the Crisis of Faith. In 1517, a German monk named Martin Luther challenged the powerful Catholic Church, questioning its authority and practices. One issue fueled his anger: the sale of indulgences, promises of salvation sold for profit. This outrage marked the start of a revolution that would forever alter Christianity. During the medieval era, the Catholic Church dominated Europe, amassing immense wealth and political power. Popes like Boniface VIII and Alexander VI lived lavishly, embroiled in scandals. Pope Giuliano de' Medici further eroded trust, symbolizing the Church's moral decay and sparking whispers of dissent across Europe. Martin Luther's 95 Theses spread quickly, demanding reform and rejection of indulgences. John Calvin, another reformer, built on Luther's ideas, emphasizing God's sovereignty and predestination. Together, they forged a Protestant movement that rejected the corruption, creating new Christian traditions and reshaping theological beliefs worldwide. As reformers gained support, the Catholic Church fought back, condemning them as heretics. Europe erupted in chaos, with wars, persecutions, and a fragmented Christendom. The Reformation wasn't just a religious movement, but also a political, cultural, and social upheaval that dismantled centuries of church supremacy. The Protestant Reformation redefined Christianity, birthing denominations and democratizing access to faith. It challenged institutions, empowered individual believers, and sparked an ongoing quest for reform in religion and politics. Its echoes still resonate, reminding us of the power of conviction to change history. Dive deeper into the Reformation's dramatic events and enduring impact. Reflect on how ordinary individuals like Luther and Calvin dared to confront corruption. Subscribe for more compelling historical stories, and join us to unravel the past's fascinating mysteries shaping today's world. History awaits. Be part of the journey.